So you guys want to know how you can go from these plain jeans to these, then stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm putting it on my laser engraver. I have the xTool S1 20 watt, as you can see. All right, so once you're in xTool Creative Space, make sure that you have your blank canvas. I'm going to make sure that my xTool S1 is connected, so you just go up here to this button here and just make sure whichever one you have, the laser engraver you have, is connected. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to shapes, and I'm just going to grab something basic. I'm going to do this circle, and then I'm going to go to engrave, and then you can search in here to see if it has in here denim. All right, and it says it does. I'm just gonna put it on blue. I'm gonna put apply. I'm gonna get the distance on my laser engraver. So how I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the inside of the jean so that it's not shown on the outside. And then I'm gonna mark the area. I'm just gonna use a rectangle. All right, so I got in here as flat as I can, and I want to recommend to you guys that you always do a test array before you try any design, just to make sure you have the best settings to where it looks how you want it to look. So how I'm going to mark the areas, I'm just going to do like a little square here. And I'm just going to fit this circle inside of that square I just made. Close your lid and then hit process. All right, so these are with the settings that are just one you can pick from the menu, and it looks like it's actually working pretty good, so I don't think I need to do a test array. So if you guys want to change some time, just go ahead and maybe try to see if there's a material that's already been tested and try it on your laser first to see if it works. All right, so this is how it turned out with just the settings that are already in there, and I think that actually looks really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and just use that setting, and that way I don't have to do a test array because that looks good to me. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to go ahead and do it on the inside of the jean so that it's not shown on the outside. I'm going to go ahead and get a design, so I'm not going to do anything too fancy. I'm just going to see what they have in here to just choose from. So I'm going to go over here to the elements, and I'm going to go down here to, let's see, leaves and grass. Well, that seems pretty simple. It's simple, and we'll use this one. So I'm just going to do the marking on the jeans of where I want to put this, and then we're going to move on from there. All right, so it's engraving right now. I just put in the same settings that it had already in xTool Creative Space, and I just aligned my image how I liked it. All right, so it's all done, and that turned out really good. Okay, let me go lay them out for you guys. All right, you guys, they turned out super cute, as you can see. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.